The world's most famous jet plane, which carried some of the biggest celebrities on the planet, is in need of a bit of TLC. Concorde flew more than 2.5 million people around the world at supersonic speeds. Now it's being restored, and a repair company in Hull has stepped in to be part of that process. Amanda White has more.
Rotate. All's going well. She's airborne.
An icon of the skies. Concorde carried the rich, the famous and even our own royal family faster than the speed of sound. The world-famous jet is now a museum exhibit in need of restoration. Carolyn and Richard Hutchins run the leather repair company in Hull and offered to restore the seats for free after seeing how tatty they looked on a visit to the Manchester Airport Visitors Centre.
These particular Concorde was used by the late Queen and the royal family. It's the only one they ever did use. And it just feels so special. It's quite eerie sometimes thinking who has actually been on these seats as well. And I mean, that for us is we're preserving history and, you know, the heritage that we're retaining for the country.
Restoring supersonic seats is a super slow job.
The challenge with it is just trying to hold them up as we're cleaning. So they do just flop down if you let go, and you can't let them go back because this little seam area would stretch and split. We're really lucky to do what we do and work on some amazing items, and to work on something that's travelled all over the world as well is just really humbling.
Once they've finished this huge pile, they'll be back for the seat from the front of Concorde, where Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II herself used to fly supersonic. Amanda White, BBC Look North.
They're fascinating work working on the Concorde seats.